version, and this time we're actually going to put on the solar panels. Now I said I would put them on the rack when the rack was on, but that doesn't work. So I put everything together, flipped it upside down, so now I can do everything on the back, because I don't want these cables to hang loose everywhere. So I want to actually, mount this everywhere, and I can sand a bit and make this a bit rough so the glue sticks better, and yeah, then see if we can get it up. But first I have to figure out how to get this wiring done, and because I've got fuses, two big fuses here for my panels, somehow they should be reachable. So when something goes wrong, you don't have to, take everything off. So let's see. it's all on the roof. And when I was on the ladder, I explained a few things, but my camera only does 25 minutes, so I talked to a not working camera. Well, because I wanted to explain that the screws that I put in, these self-tapping screws that are now sticking out of the ceiling everywhere, are going to go out when everything is dry, and then there's going to be 5mm M5 stainless steel little bolts and nuts. So I only have like a little nut here on the inside, but now it can all dry. I could, you know, adjust it from only the outside, because when I do the bolt and nuts, my wife Miriam needs to help me. You know, one has to be on top, one has to be inside the van, and she already helped me by clearing out. So we've got a blank canvas now, and we've made some decisions that are making this whole build a bit different. But that's for a next video. I'm glad the panels are on and everything worked out the way I thought it would work. Yeah, so it's time to start on the inside of the car. First get these cables to the right places, see how I mount them on the roof before putting insulation, or maybe do the insulation first, I don't know. But that's for our next video. This is already long enough. So from the Lonesome Hill in Portugal, until our next video, at the logo.